Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials right. Update your GPU drivers and OBS so you avoid compatibility bottlenecks. Once done, open Settings and switch output mode to Simple, then pick a hardware encoder like NVENC to offload work from the CPU. Make sure to set base and output resolution and a target frame rate. For example, 1920 x 1080 at 60, because capturing at too high settings forces encoding overhead and causes lag. Now move to bitrate and recording format next. Next, focus on the encoder and CPU. Switch to CBR and set bitrate based on resolution. For 1080p 60 aim around 10, 000 to 20, 000 kbps so the encoder has steady throughput. Once that's set, pick an NVENC preset that balances speed and quality, a performance for smoother recordings, quality for better visuals, and set keyframe interval to 2 so players and editors sync frames correctly. Also bump OBS process priority to above normal and close heavy. Finish by testing, record for a minute or two, and immediately check for dropped frames, audio sync, and stutter. If you can, write recordings to a separate SSD and use a resilient container like MKV, then remux to MP4 after. If lag still appears, make incremental changes. Lower the encoder preset, drop resolution or frame rate, or reduce bitrate. A key troubleshooting tip: watch GPU and encoder utilization. If NVENC is saturated, switch to a lower preset or reduce workload so frames stop queuing and lag disappears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.